Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide correct and incorrect answer feedback in Google Forms. This is useful when you want to create a quiz, but prefer not to show immediate feedback to your respondents, giving you more control over when and how they learn about their results. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. You'll need to log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, click on Blank Form to start creating a new form from scratch. This opens up a fresh canvas where you can build your quiz. Now look at the top toolbar and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your form. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the section labeled Make this a quiz and toggle it on. Enabling this option transforms your regular form into a quiz format, which allows you to assign point values and provide feedback for answers. Next, click on the Questions tab to return to your form editor. You'll see an untitled question field waiting for you. Click on it and type in your question, for example, what is 10 plus 10? This will be the question your respondents need to answer. Below your question, you'll see option 1. Click on it and type 20 as the first possible answer. Then click Add Option to create a second choice and type 30. Repeat this process by clicking Add Option again and typing 40, then once more to add 50 as the final option. You now have a multiple choice question with 4 possible answers. With your question set up, it's time to designate the correct answer. Click on the Answer key button located at the bottom of the question. This opens up the answer configuration panel, where you can mark which response is correct. Click the circle beside the correct answer, which in this case is 20. Now here's where you control the feedback. Click the Add Answer Feedback button. You'll see 2 fields appear, one for incorrect answers and one for correct answers. In the incorrect field, type your desired feedback, for example, incorrect. Then in the correct field, type your feedback, such as correct. After entering your feedback, click Save to store these settings. Finally, click Done to close the Answer Key panel and return to your form. At this point, your quiz is set up with answer feedback configured. However, to actually hide this feedback from respondents, you would need to go back to Settings and look for options related to showing correct answers or releasing scores immediately after submission. By default, if you don't release the quiz results immediately, the feedback will remain hidden until you manually release it. And there you have it. You've successfully configured a Google Forms quiz with answer feedback that can be controlled and hidden as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.